Alright. So, obviously, let's run this one. So, my black ass is going back home, as expected. Hell no to the no to the hell no. It's crazy. Like I said, it's like some video game shit. But we had to the wasteland or some shit. But this is actually driving this way. I mean, look at this. Anybody should be driving like that. It's just even to walk takes a while. King's Highway is not scary anymore. I mean, it still is, but not that. Make sure nobody slides into your ass. I mean, it's something you have to see though. It's fucked up out here. You have to come out and see what the hell's going on, how bad it is. Situation. It's complicated also. But much of this cause over there is still in. Nothing you can do about that. Because, you know, there's gonna be any truck passing by this way anytime soon. That's it. I know it's like a whole bunch of wind and snow all mixed up. God damn. After Christmas. Crazy ass, really. Those got run over. The freaking horn, dude. Off today. FedEx. Huh. This way's fucked up. This way's fucked up. Excuse me. Great day to stay home. Whoever has to go to work, like, people that's imperative for them to go to work, I feel bad. It's whatever. Okay. Be careful, man. Snowed the fucking end. It's a good thing I don't live in Long Island anymore. Shit out of the big ass driveway. Thank you so much.